everyone. Welcome to Enterprise World 2018, the world's largest information conference. This week we have over 200 breakout sessions, over 80 exhibitors, and thousands of attendees who are excited to learn about the power of the intelligent and connected enterprise. Why don't you come along with me? Let's go. Mark Barrenechea kicked off the morning with an opening keynote presentation. He focused on using data for the good, keeping information secure, and creating innovative software for the new world. Then Savannah Berry joined Mark on stage for a live demo of our brand new hybrid cloud platform, OT2. All right, now that our keynotes are all wrapped up, let's go check out what's going on in the labs.
This year in the Innovation Lab, we've got a lot going on. We have products from all the product suites, and it's well represented.
Well, new and exciting this year, Emma, is really we've got two labs here again, but we're actually up in the expo floor. So that's the really exciting thing. We're really in the heart of the action of Enterprise World this year. So Emma, the evolution of the Developer Lab really stems from the three of us. So we started the Developer Lab 4 Enterprise Worlds ago in Las Vegas, and the three of us did all of the sessions for the week with one lab. And really the evolution now is we've got two labs, multiple sessions, many more attendees, and really more engineers able to come and share their product knowledge and experience with our customers. It's really exciting.
The product lab is brand new at Enterprise World for 2018. What we've got is a chance for customers to come at their own leisure, sit down at a computer and try out our software. Well, we're seeing a lot of content server customers here, so they're taking a lot of the content server labs. We're also seeing a lot of people interested in our new Magellan product and taking the Magellan lab. So come on down and try it.
So we're having a little friendly competition with the other labs. And what we've asked our labs to do is see how many OpenText products they can name in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
iHub, Magellan, Content Server, Documentum D2, Media Management, Extreme.
Ready, set, go.
Content Server. Core. Extended UCM goes mobile.
AppWorks.
Content Server mobile.
eDocs.
Teams.
Time's up! 3, 2, 1, go.
AppWorks, OTMM, Content Server, Document, Extreme, StreamServe, Magellan.
Time's up. We're here at the OpenText pop-up store where you can find all kinds of beautiful OpenText swag. Hey Dave, I'm gonna try some stuff on. To wrap up the day, attendees were treated to a welcome reception in the expo hall. Well, that's a wrap for day 1 of Enterprise World. Thanks so much for coming along with me, and we'll be here tomorrow to do it all over again. See you then. Bye.